Hi, welcome to Mindbox by K. This is my first long video, so if you overthink a lot, if your mind feels loud when everything is quiet, or you are just replaying the conversation that happened 3 days ago, then you are in the right place. Because here's the truth no one says out loud. You don't overthink because you are dramatic. Your brain overthinks because it is trying to protect you. Today, I'm going to break this down in a way that actually makes sense. First of all, how to recognize when it is happening, how to accept it, and how to overcome it. So, let's get started. Overthinking isn't just thinking too much, it's your brain trying to create safety through control. Here are the real signs that we don't talk about. Sign number one, your brain keeps repeating the conversation over and over. Not because it cared too much, but it thinks that it has missed a thread that was hidden. Number two, your brain is imagining the worst case scenario. It's your brain preparing you for the impact that is never going to happen. Sign number three, you rewrite the message 10 times. Not because you want to be perfect, but you fear being misunderstood. Sign number four, simple decision feels very exhausting. Your brain freezes. That's analysis paralysis. Your brain is basically trying to avoid the regret. Number five, the biggest one. It gets loud at night because during the day you are distracted, but at night your emotional backlog finally shows up. If this sounds like you, then you are not too much. You are just simply overwhelmed. It's something you need to hear gently. Overthinking isn't a personality trait, it's just your nervous system processing. Your brain hates uncertainty. So when it feels unsafe emotionally, socially, or physically, it fills in the blank with the fear. And that's why your brain spirals. It's not that your mind is against you, but your mind is thinking that it is protecting you from embarrassment, disappointment, humiliation, rejection, etc. Making peace with overthinking starts with one simple thing, that your brain is trying to keep you safe, but with just using the outdated information. Once you understand that, you stop fighting your thoughts and you start working with them. Now, let's talk about what actually helps. Here are the five things that will help you genuinely break the overthinking cycle. Number one, label the loop. If you catch yourself spiraling into some thoughts, just say that I'm looping out loud if you can. This simple trick will help you take your brain out of autopilot. Number two, challenge the first thought. Your first thought is always fear. Your second thought is always truth. So before reacting, pause for 10 seconds and ask, is this a fear talking or a fact? Regulate your body first. Overthinking is a nervous system issue, not a logical issue. So try just dropping your shoulders or taking one slow exhale at a time or just placing your hand on the chest. When your body feels relaxed, your mind will start to calm down. Number four, set a worry window. Give yourself a 10 minutes a day to analyze, spiral, just simply to overthink. Because the structure helps the brain relax it later. So instead of spiraling at 2 a.m., it brain will think that yeah, it can wait. Number five, most important one. Ask yourself one question. Is this a fact or a fear? Most of your spiral will die right there. You will be surprised to know that how much of fear is just wearing a logic's clothes. You are not broken for overthinking. You are not too much. Your mind has been in survival mode for so long that it overthinks even the simplest of things. But now you are learning a different way to exist. If you want more psychology that is explained simply in and in a way you can actually use, subscribe to Mindbox by K. We're just getting started and I'm so glad you are here. Real growth, raw healing, I hear you and I love you.